Hello, in this video I'd like to introduce operators and functions in JavaScript. Operators let us perform mathematical operations or combine data. Functions let us reuse blocks of code. Okay, so to get set up, we have a new blank demo.js file. And to link this to our HTML, we'll do script source equals demo. And then to test to see if this works, do console.log hello. Great. So we're talking about operators and functions. So the first thing is we can do math on our numbers, right? So let x equal 1 plus 2 and if we console log this, we get 3, right? We can also do, now that we have this x variable, 6 divided by 3. This is 2. We can do multiplication. Equals 2 times, and use the little star sign there. 3. That's 6. And then there's a new one, or one that you might not have seen before, called the modulo, which is really handy. And what the modulo is the remainder. So if I do 5 modulo, which is percentage sign 3, it gets a remainder of 2. And what this is cool for is if you need a cycle of numbers, this is really handy. We can also do operations on variables. So if we say A is 1 and B is 2, and C equals A plus B, then when we log C, we get the result of those two together. We can also use operators on strings. So you could say, let my name equal Peter plus Alfano. There we go. Add a space in there too. And also, add numerals, and this looks like a number, but it's actually a string. We can also have a variable reference itself. So let score equal 1 const penalty equals 5. Score will be 1. But we can also do score equals, sorry, I can't type. Score plus 1. This here, 2, 3. And we can do score equals score plus score minus penalty. All right. -3. It's like a Jeopardy score. Okay. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to talk about is functions. So here's the function syntax. So constant my function equals function, open parentheses, which will be our input or parameter, and then curly brackets, which is what you want to do. Let me give you an example here. So I can say const goal equals and if I console log this, score, it's going to stay 0. However, if we run the goal function, now it's 1. More goals, sorry. More goals, more score. And the last thing we could do, so we have this empty open and close parentheses here. This can be a parameter that we put over here. And so then, get rid of this for a sec. This can be like how many points were scored on that goal. So if I do 3, it'll be 3. If it was 6, it'll be 6, right? And if we start with a score of 5, it'll be 11, right? So this is the basic structure of a function that we'll be seeing a lot.